Hello, good morning everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can manage your Facebook groups without much hassle. Before we start the video, I request you to like, share and subscribe my channel if the contents provided in this video are worth for you. Okay, let me show you my Facebook page for this. In this Facebook page, you can see that groups are shown on the left side. Those who are use the older versions of Facebook might be knowing that earlier the groups were coming in a grid manner. That is some like boxes here, and you can easily go through your groups. And there was not much difficulty in going to your own groups. With the new layout, what they have done, when you click at these groups, that you will see is you when you want if you want to search your group, you have to go down like this. Okay, and most of the time it will not be full. You have to again you have to drag it down. The issue with this is that every time when you open your Facebook page and look for the groups, you have to follow the same procedure, and by this you don't know how many groups you are in, nor you don't know what you have posted. Nowadays, Facebook is widely used for marketing because there many are doing digital marketing, Facebook marketing, posting many items, posting videos, and if you are a digital marketer, you need to publish your pages for advertising, etc. Also, you need to post 4 or 5 posts in a day, and you cannot. Facebook don't allow you to do junk posting. That means you can do only a few 4 or 5 posts per day, and you post in some groups, and after that you will forget which group you have posted, and after 1 or 2 days you will not be knowing how many times I have posted the same thing in the same group, or where I have covered all my Facebook page post groups, etc. You can join groups by simply clicking on the groups, and daily you can submit your request for joining a group 5 or 6. But later we don't know, some groups it will get allow you to join the group immediately, and some will take 1 week, some will take 1 month, and some people don't allow you to join the group. So after some time you will get confused whether you have joined, where you have joined, all these things. So to making it easy, what I found myself is I found a technique by which you can quickly manage your groups. For this, I will show you what I am doing. For this, you need an Excel sheet. You need to have a new Excel sheet. Okay, like this. You have to open an Excel sheet on your computer. Then you just go to the where the groups you have joined. You have seen this item, the groups you have joined. You just highlight it, and just you go down like this. Okay, till you reach the last group in this page. I'm going down. I have a lot of groups, so it will take some time. Most of you have, those who are into marketing and other things, will be having so many groups like this. Just go down till you get the last group. Wow, it's going a never-ending process. This was the main problem which I was facing, because next time when I want to go look for a group, I have to do all these things again and again and again. Okay, I think we have reached the last item, last group, and there you right click, just copy it. Once you have copied, go to your Excel sheet. Okay, and there you right click, and you can paste it. I have pasted my groups here. All the groups will come here. Yeah, you have seen it, right? Okay, but this has some, you need to do some cleaning here, because some unwanted things also will come here. For that you have to remove, for easily remove, quickly removing this one, you just go to this top row, that is the header, just highlight it and just put sort. Once you sort it out, you have your name here, then just click data sort. After data you have to go for sort, and after sorting this will come up. Okay, just press OK. Now it has in alphabetical order it has arranged, but you have seen these are not groups. This is number 3, 4 shown here, 1 post 4. This is not a group. Okay, you just delete it. Again you come down, there is another area. Yeah, this is the place. This is the last active will also will show in this list. Okay, so you just highlight it from here to where it is the last active. Last active, so many are there. Yeah, you have come here. Yes, just right click and delete it. Now you have all your groups here. You have seen it. I have more than 200 sure. 220 groups are there. Okay. Now you may wonder what is the advantage of this one. Okay, if you want to go to any particular group, suppose you want to go to this All India FMCG marketing group, just click on it. It will open a new Facebook page will be open, and you will be directed to that group. You need not have to type in anything. You see, new page is opening up, All India FMCG marketing group, and in this one you have a direct access to this group. You see, okay. Now let me tell you what is the advantage of doing like this. Okay, I will show you an organized group in my thing. This is another Excel sheet I already done. I have made a group. I have combined all the groups related to money. That means where you are promoting your promotions. I have made it in a one tab. Another one is shopping. Whatever shopping related groups are kept under this tab. Others means something not related to foreign groups, because I am basically from India and I am advertising in some foreign groups also. So I get them foreign. This is related to share market and other things. But when you sort like this, make sure that you keep a master copy of this with you. Means first whatever you got initially, you keep it in a single sheet. Then you copy and do it in a separate tabs. I will tell you why you need a master copy. Okay. And before I go to that, I will tell you, because what I am doing, you see here, for each and every group I have put some dates here. That means this particular date, that is on 8th September, I posted in this group. Again on 14th September, I posted in the group. Means when I am putting ads in the group, or when I am posting for Facebook promotion, I am doing like this. Okay, then again on 23rd September, I have posted in this group. So managing this is very easy. Suppose you want to, you have all the list with you, and once if you want to check whether you have posted, for each ad I put some code like 2A3 like that. If you want to see that, I can show you that also. Sure. Yeah, that what I have written here. A is once, are you still active in social media like that. So you can just transfer the same thing here. You can translate it here. When suppose you put A and what is the content of the ad, you can mark in a separate sheet, and you can put here A, and you have put on 13th September. You have posted that ad on 13th September in this group. So you can post after 4 or 5 days another post, or the same post. This is another post 3. On that A, on that day I have posted on one digital marketing group. I have posted also on digital marketing TA. So in Money India, also on Indian job seekers like that. So it is easy for you to manage. Okay. And another thing is that once you have joined some groups and all, you have put requests for many groups. Suppose you put in a day 5, in or 10 in a day, and in a week 50, or something like that. Then only if you will get, you will be automatically accepted as allowed to join you. Some they will take 1 week, some will take 1 month, some will never allow you to join. So you don't know, after a few days, means after 10 days, this group structure has changed. Earlier you have 220, now we don't know how many you have, because by this week some people might have accepted your request for joining the group. So it become 240 or 250 like that. To manage that one, I asked you to keep a master of this one. Okay. So this is the master list. This was generated maybe 1 month before. So I will show you how you can find out the new groups. Okay. So here there are there are some groups here. Okay. Then what you have to do, you just go to the new Excel sheet where you have downloaded all your groups. Okay. Your list is here. You just copy it. Okay. And paste on the first page is your master list. And below the master list, you put Control V, and your groups are ready. Okay. You may be wondering why I have done this one. This is just to I will show you what is the advantage of this one. Okay, after you paste it fully, you just go there, highlight it. Okay, then go to conditional formatting and highlight cell rules having duplicate value. That means, and give a color. Okay, that means whichever group is there already in the master list, it will be highlighted in red. That means all these things are already there. So whichever coming in between, this is a new group, this is a new group, this is a new group. Okay. So you can find out which are the new groups. You just only copy these blue, this is the white cells that is having a blue link. So you just go see it what it is. It is flat. Suppose it's on Forex expert trader signal. That means it is related to share market. So just you copy this one and keep it in your share. Okay. You can just copy it in share. So again it is easy for you to sort out. So hope by this time you might have understood what is the advantage of doing a process like this. Okay. And suppose and I once again I want to show you that the easiest method for going in for a group and having a track of your group and to avoid duplicating, the best thing is just simply do an Excel sheet transfer, and once it is transferred it is easy for you to do any work. You see, you simply just click on it. It's all are linked, so simply you click on it and Facebook group page will open up automatically. You need not have to do anything. Okay, once you are there, you know that you have not posted anything today, or you can check when you have posted the last time, and if you are comfortable with it, you simply post here. This is the most easiest way to manage your groups in in the present Facebook setup. Hope you are liked the video very much, and if you find that is worth for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Some more useful videos are coming up very shortly. Also spread it to your friends, share it, like, and post in your walls. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a nice time. Take care.